Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the phone, charge it to at least 20%, and unlock the Pixel 6a so background tasks won't interrupt. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or cellular to allow any quick updates. Now open Settings and type Diagnostics in the search bar. If you don't see it, use the phone app to access the hidden Diagnostics menu. This gets you straight into the system tools you need to inspect battery behavior and skip unnecessary steps. You'll run the key battery checks next. Navigate to Diagnostics, then Battery, or open Settings Battery Health to see detailed metrics. Look for charge cycles, current voltage, and temperature readings to understand stress on the cell. Also check any estimated percent wear or capacity. Make sure to run a screen on/off test and let background app drain testing run for a few minutes to spot rogue apps, because transient spikes reveal the real causes of accelerated drain. You finish by interpreting results and applying fixes. If capacity is significantly below 100%, that indicates wear. Compare cycles and temperature to decide if replacement is needed. Once done, force stop or uninstall any high drain apps and change background activity or adaptive battery settings to reduce load. For a quick calibration, charge to 100% without interruption, restart the phone, then charge again to 100%. This helps the system estimate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.